we have already learned reflexive relation. In this presentation, we will learn symmetric relation. Dear students, हम लोगों ने इससे पहले रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन पढ़ा था। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन। What is symmetric relation? Let R is a relation on A. R is a relation from A to A. That is, R is a relation on A. If AB belonging to R implies BA is also in R. क्या इसका मतलब हुआ? यदि R में, रिलेशन R में A B से रिलेटेड है तो वहां B A से रिलेटेड होना चाहिए. If A is related with B, then B should be related with A. Then the relation R is called a symmetric relation on A. Symbolically, if AB belongs to R implies BA belongs to R. मतलब whenever AB is in R, BA should be in R. Then R is symmetric on A. इसे हम लोग ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं कि if A is related with B implies B is also related with A, then R is symmetric on A. Students, this if word is very important. If a statement says if this exists, यदि ऐसा कोई वहां एलिमेंट है तो ये होना चाहिए. If A is related with B, then B should be related with A. If there is no any such case there, then there is no need of searching this thing in R. If AB is in R, then BA should be in R. यदि AB ऑर्डर पेयर AB R में नहीं है तो हम इसको सर्च नहीं करेंगे. यहां से हमें क्लियर कट यह कंसेप्ट मिलता है कि व्हेन वी विल से दैट अ रिलेशन इज नॉट सिमेट्रिक. Very, very important. This point is very, very important. When a relation R on a set A is said to be not symmetric. Very simple. If ordered pair AB is in R, but BA is not in R, means if A is related with B, but B is not related with A, then we say the relation is not symmetric. Only one possibility, when AB is present in R but BA is not present in R, then we will say the relation is not symmetric. Otherwise it is always symmetric. Some illustration. Examine symmetricity on A. A is this. R1 is this. Now state whether R1 is symmetric on A or not. रिफ्लेक्सिव केस की तरह यहाँ पर फॉर ईच एलिमेंट बिलोंगिंग टू ए की कोई बात नहीं. सिमेट्रिसिटी सीधे सीधे R1 पर डिपेंड कर रहा है। R1 के एलिमेंट्स को हमको देखना है कि वहां यदि AB है तो BA होना चाहिए। यदि वहां ऑर्डर पेयर AB नहीं है तो ऑर्डर पेयर BA सर्च करने की जरूरत नहीं है। एंड दिस इज नॉट रिलेटेड विथ ईच एलिमेंट ऑफ ए। सिर्फ रिफ्लेक्सिविटी का केस है, सिर्फ रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन में हमको देखना रहता है फॉर ईच एलिमेंट बिलोंगिंग टू ए। सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन एंड ट्रांजिटिव रिलेशन जो हम लोग बाद में देखेंगे, में फॉर ईच एलिमेंट बिलोंग टू ए की कोई बात नहीं। सो नाउ आंसर whether R1 is symmetric on A or not. Yes, 1 2 is present here and its opposite 2 1 is present. 2 1 is present, 1 2 present. यहाँ पर ऐसा कोई एलिमेंट नहीं है कि AB is present in R but BA is not present in R. ऐसा कोई केस यहाँ नहीं है. So R1 is symmetric. Right? Take another example. R2. R2 is relation on A. We have to answer whether R2 is symmetric on A or not. See, first element 1 1, its opposite 1 1 present. 1 2, its opposite 2 1. 2 1, its opposite 1 2. So R2 is symmetric on A. R3. Observe, R3 is symmetric on A or not. See, elements of R3. 1 1, its opposite 1 1. 1 2, its opposite 2 1. 2 1, its opposite 1 2. 2 3, its opposite 3 2 is not present in R3. So, what it means? It means R3 is not symmetric. This is important. हम कब किसी रिलेशन को सिमेट्रिक नहीं बोलेंगे? जब वहां ऐसा कोई एलिमेंट हो लेकिन इसका कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग ये एलिमेंट वहां न हो, then only we will say that the relation is not symmetric. Otherwise it is symmetric. So R3 is not symmetric. Consider this. R4. 1 1, its opposite 1 1. 2 2, its opposite 2 2. 3 3, its opposite 3 3. So it is symmetric. Note, R4 is reflexive also. Yes. See here. Element 1 is present in A. Ordered pair 1 1 is present in R. Element 2 is present in A. Ordered pair 2 2 is present in R. Element 3 is present in A and ordered pair 3 3 also present in R. So R4 is also reflexive. This relation is reflexive as well as symmetric, both. R5. See whether it is symmetric on A or not. 1 1, its opposite 1 1. 2 2, its opposite 2 2. 3 3, its opposite 3 3. 1 3, its opposite 3 1 is not present in R. So necessarily it is not symmetric. Whether it is reflexive? Yes, it is reflexive. R6. Whether R6 is symmetric on A. 2 2, its opposite 2 2. 3 3, its opposite 3 3. 1 3, its opposite 3 1 is present here. 3 1, its opposite 1 3 is present here. So R6 is symmetric. Is it reflexive on A? Observe, 2 is present in A, 2 2 is present in R. 3 is present in A, 3 3 is present in R. 1 is present in A but 1 1, order pair 1 1 is not present in R. So it is not reflexive. R7. Consider R7 a relation on A. We have to answer whether R7 is symmetric on A or not. See 1 1, its opposite 1 1, 2 2, its opposite 2 2. So it is symmetric on A. Is it reflexive? Clearly, A has 3, but ordered pair 3 3 is not in R7, so it is not reflexive. C. R8. Is R8 symmetric? Necessarily yes. We have to see only elements of the relation. In this relation, there is only one element, ordered pair 3 3. Its opposite 3 3 is present here, so it is symmetric. Necessarily, it is not reflexive. R9. Is it symmetric? Clearly not. Why? In the relation, ordered pair 2 3 is present, but 3 2 is not present, so it is not symmetric. R10. A state. What is your answer? Yes. Clearly, A cross A will contain all elements of A cross A. So if 1 2 is here, then 2 1 is here. If 1 3 is in R10, then 3 1 is in R10. Similarly, if 2 3 is in R10, then 3 2 is in R10. So it is symmetric. Is it reflexive? Yes. You know it is reflexive also. Observe this example. L is the set of all lines in a given plane, and R is a relation defined on L given by this thing. Ordered pair AB will be in R if A is parallel to B. यह एग्जाम्पल हम लोगों ने रिफ्लेक्सिविटी में भी लिया था. सेम एग्जाम्पल. L is the set of all lines in a given plane. यदि this board is the given plane, then necessarily this board, this plane has infinite lines, and they all are in set L. And a relation R is defined on L. A will be related with B when line A is parallel to B. We have to check whether R is symmetric on L or not. हम लोगों ने देखा था यह रिलेशन रिफ्लेक्सिव था on L. In this case, we have to check whether R is symmetric or not. Let ordered pair AB belongs to R. क्यों हम ये लेकर चल रहे हैं? जब भी सिमेट्रिसिटी हमको चेक करना है किसी रिलेशन का, हम कोई भी एक आर्बिट्ररी एलिमेंट ऑर्डर्ड पेयर ए बी आर में ले लेंगे और फिर डेफिनेशन को अप्लाई करके देखेंगे कि इसका रिवर्स ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बी ए आर में है या नहीं. तो जब भी सिमेट्रिसिटी चेक करना हो, हमारा प्रोसीडिंग यही होगा. वी विल प्रोसीड विथ टेकिंग एनी ordered pair AB as element of R. So let ordered pair AB is in R. What it means? A is related with B. And when A will be related with B, we will apply the definition here. If ordered pair AB is in R, this implies A is parallel to B. Line A is parallel to line B. What it means? A is parallel to B by definition. This is a definition. And if line A is parallel to B, this implies line B is parallel to A. And if line B is parallel to A, so by definition, this is a definition. By definition, B is related with A. Ordered pair BA will belong to R. So what we see? Whenever ordered pair AB is in R, BA will be in R. Thus, R is symmetric on L. Is it clear? Very simple. Whenever we have to check a relation is symmetric or not, we will proceed with taking any arbitrary element ordered pair AB in R और definition को अप्लाई करेंगे और देखेंगे कि ये आता है या नहीं। यदि ये आ गया इट इज सिमेट्रिक, ये नहीं आया नॉट सिमेट्रिक। इस बात को क्लियर करने के लिए एक एग्जांपल और देखें। सेम सेट L is the set of all lines in a given plane and R is defined like this. When ordered pair AB will be in R, when line A is perpendicular to B. A and B are elements of L, and what are elements of L? Elements of L are lines. A, B denotes lines. So A will be related with B only when line A is perpendicular to B. We have to check whether this relation is symmetric on L or not. So what is the proceeding? Same proceeding. We will proceed with any arbitrary element AB in R. And since ordered pair AB is in R, so by definition A is perpendicular to B. Now suppose, when A is perpendicular to B, then B is perpendicular to A or not? Necessarily. If A is perpendicular to B, then B is perpendicular to A. And since B is perpendicular to A, this implies BA belongs to R. So whenever AB is in R, BA is in R. Hence R is symmetric on L. Right? Thank you. In our next lecture, in our next presentation, I will discuss transitive relation.